Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to update your age on Discord or your date of birth, whatever you want to say it. Now we have this account section. If I head into my account section, I will be seeing my username, my full name, my email address, my personal phone number, all of that, but not my date of birth. And I want to change it for some reason. So what am I gonna do in that case? So let's just head down till we see support, and now I'm gonna press on the support button. Let's wait for this to load up. And on the top right you see those three bars right next to sign in. Press on that and you press submit a request. Once you've done that, you're gonna select trust and safety under this, and you're gonna add your email address, and you're gonna check on appeals, age updates, whatever, and you're gonna just press on the text to just accept with their terms. And you can press this and update my age information. Now you can add your date of birth here, whatever it is, and here you can type a subject of update my age. Here you can add a description that I accidentally entered the wrong age while creating my account, or like I accidentally pressed on the wrong month, whatever the reason might be. And here you can add some attachments. Now about the attachments, you see there's this little description given, and it says that I have attached a photo of myself holding a photo ID which contains my date of birth and a piece of paper with my Discord username. So basically it's a good way for them to verify that it's actually you and it's actually your age. So they will just update your age, and that is pretty much the process. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.